Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best grain mills to grind flour in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Mungianco Cast Iron Corn Grinder Mill. Give home-cooked food an even more delicious edge with this easy-to-use grinder that can be used to grind a lot of grain at once. From corn, barley, and coffee beans to rice, chilies, and chickpeas, you can process pretty much anything in this machine. The grinder's coolest feature is easily the adjustable coarseness, which allows you to get particles as fine or thick as the meal demands. Designed with cast iron and an electroplated tin surface, it comes with a plate cover to prevent the powders from splashing all over the kitchen counters. Number 10. Mungianco Manual Grain Grinder. Made of stainless steel, this manual grain grinder is a small-sized machine compared to other grinders. The nut at the bottom and the spring tension are adjustable according to your need and convenience. Users need to consider specific measures while using this grinder, such as not to tighten the back nut too hard. It can be used to grind grains, coffee, wheat, and corn but not oily grains. Number 9. Happy Mills Hoes Easy Stone Grain Flour Mill. Hoes is a 6x6 mill with a top-notch performance. Its single-handed operation makes it easy to use. Turn on the mill, set the button to the finest to coarse flour, and move the adjustment wheel. The motor transfers 360W power to the grinding attachment, which is made up of ceramic burrs. Its overall weight is 17.4 pounds. Number 8. Como Classic Mill. The Como Classic Mill is designed with German craftsmanship and has an extremely striking appearance. This classic mid-sized model can hold up to 2.25 pounds of grain in the hopper. It is constructed of solid beechwood and consists of corundum and ceramic burrs. It has a dual-function feed flock consisting of a hopper that holds 2 lb for the grinder. The classic Como has a 360W motor, and it produces 0.5 to 0.6 pounds per minute. Number 7. Emmerbrew Malt Crusher. Emmerbrew Malt Crusher is a 2-bearing roller grain malt mill. It consists of 2 sliding rollers that make it more convenient to use. It has high capacity and efficiency, and the large grain hopper can hold up to 7 pounds at a time, and it works well with a low-speed drill. The immediate switch between the manual crank and electric drill mode makes it unique. Apart from regular grains, this mill is also suitable for oily foods, adjustable roller gap distance and not ruin the husks. Emmerbrew Malt Mill features a 2-roller grinding setting. Distance between 2 rollers can be adjusted from 0.025 to 0.1 inches, easy to adjust to a suitable gap, and very precise crush setting can be dialed in for milling malts grains with different density. Basic brewing malt crusher with fine grind control without ruining wheat husks, makes grinding malted and unmalted barley grains a breeze with the help of adjustable spacing. Number 6. Country Living Hand Grain Mill. The Country Grain Mill is made from aircraft aluminum. Its cast iron wheels and stainless steel flywheel make it sturdy. The unit comes with a packet of pre-tested flour ground using the same machine. You have to install the heavy mill securely and cautiously by attaching it to the countertop using a counter clamp. Number 5. Chard GM 150 Grain Mill. Chard is suitable for occasional users and is durable. To use the machine, mount and clamp it onto a flat, hard surface for safety. The rubber feet at the bottom protect the surface from scratches. While the grinder and base are made of cast iron, the capacious hopper is made of a thin metal sheet. It is suitable for producing slightly coarse flour. The Chard grain mill allows you to grind corn, multigrain, soybeans, or shelled nuts. Create delicious and authentic breads and baked goods, made from scratch. This grain mill is perfect for high-quality natural baking, gourmet cooking and serious home beer brewing. Made of durable tin-coated cast iron for years of continuous use. The adjustable grinding plates allow a grind from coarse to fine. Features an extra-large capacity hopper for bigger batches which ensures extended milling between refills. The long-lasting poly handle won't split or splinter like wood and allows for simple and easy continuous operation. The strong and secure adjustable clamp-on style easily attaches to any countertop up to 1.5 inch thick. Perform tasks faster, disassembles for quick and easy cleanup. Chart products put you in control with a little help from the right tools. From meat processing, to outdoor cooking, to simple food preparation, we help you make it yours. Number 4. Roots and Branches Deluxe Grain Mill. This deluxe grain mill is a redesign of a traditional mill with modern technology and robust features. It is made of cast aluminum with powder coating, bronze bearings, and steel shafts and is divided into 2 systems for grinding, steel plates and stone burrs. The clamps and knobs are made of nylon, and the unit does not require any drilling to be clamped. The unit is sturdy and can grind grains and seeds that are oily or dry. The crank handle is removable and adjustable for the user's convenience. The new VKP Deluxe Grain Mill is bigger and better than the original VKP Grain Mill. The Deluxe Grain Mill comes with a hand crank but also offers an optional electric drive motor, sold separately. Now you can have a single mill that works great with or without electricity. Number 3. The Kitchen Mill Electric Grain Mill. The Kitchen Mill Electric Grain Mill is designed for quick and efficient refining. The lid, transparent flour container, and the housing unit are made of Lexan plastic. It comprises a micronetic milling chamber and controllable settings for variable fineness. The versatile and efficient grain mill is easy to use, works exceptionally with 1000 W power and a 1.8 horsepower motor, and is also self-lubricating. While using this grinder, ensure that you cover the hopper with a plate, colander, or bowl to prevent spitting out of beans and grains. You can dry or wet clean the machine with a soft brush thoroughly. A healthier way to mill, burst grains, dried beans, and other legumes into fresh and nutritious flour. Instead of grinding, Kitchen Mill uses a surgical stainless steel micronetic milling chamber to produce the lowest starch-damaged flour, loftiest bread, at the lowest temperature and the highest output in order to preserve nutrients. Number 2. NutriMill Classic High-Speed Grain/Flour Mill. NutriMill is a popular micronizer with advanced technology to tune the texture control with robust milling heads. These milling heads are made of stainless steel and produce premium quality flour. You can use this flour for a course meal or bakery products such as cakes and pastries. This efficient machine is made in South Korea and comes with a lifetime warranty. To make an informed decision before buying, you can check out this video Why Mill Your Own Flour, when it's so readily available. Commercial mills remove 30% of the wheat kernel, removing the most nutritious part of the grain to make white flour. Milling your own flour not only ensures that your flour is as nutritious as it can be, it has a wonderful taste that is lost to commercially made whole grain flour. NutriMill is the world's most popular maker of grain mills, and the NutriMill Classic has been its #1 selling mill for over 10 years. The NutriMill Classic electric grain mill uses a high-speed impact chamber, also called a micronizer, with stainless steel milling heads to create flour from grains and beans. The NutriMill Classic has raised the bar for grain mill design with new features and abilities users have asked for, a combination of features found in no other impact mill. The new design of the NutriMill Classic's impact chamber allows you to put grain into the hopper before you turn it on with no risk of plugging the mill, which can happen with older mill designs. Even if stopped during grinding, the NutriMill Classic restarts again without trouble. Number 1. WonderMill Powerful Electric Grain Mill Grinder. The powerful grinder is made of cast aluminum and is ideal for home and professional use. It has a robust double-post clamp that holds it with the support of a standard table. The machine's corundum burrs are used for grinding grains and legumes, and an optional nut butter auger is used for grinding nuts and seeds. The grinder can also be powered with a drill bit adapter. This video will give you more insights into the product.